If OneNote is showing an offline error and your notes are not syncing, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to fix it using a manual sync and a simple web-based workaround. This is a great fix when OneNote gets stuck offline, stops connecting properly, or refuses to update your notebook across devices. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first method. Open OneNote on your desktop, then click File and go to Info. On this screen, look for the View Sync Status button. This section shows you the current sync state of your notebook and can help you see whether OneNote is having trouble connecting. Now click Sync All. This forces OneNote to retry the connection and attempt a fresh sync with the server. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear a temporary offline issue and get your notebook working again. If you prefer, there is also a faster shortcut you can try. While viewing your notebook, press Shift and F9 on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut triggers a manual sync as well, and it can sometimes fix the offline error without needing to go through the menu. If the manual sync still fails, don't panic. There is another method that often helps OneNote re-establish the connection. Keep your desktop app open and then open OneNote for the web in your browser. Once you are in the web version, look at the top of the ribbon menu and click Open in Desktop App. This may seem simple, but it can be very effective because it forces a fresh authentication handshake between your account, the web version, and the desktop app. What that means is OneNote gets a clean connection again, which can help clear the offline block and restore normal syncing. After you click it, allow the app to reopen or refresh if prompted, and then give it a moment to reconnect. After that, go back to your notebook and check whether your pages are updating properly. In many cases, the offline error disappears once OneNote has been forced to reconnect this way. If the issue is still there, try repeating the sync steps one more time after using the web version, because sometimes OneNote needs that extra nudge to fully recover. So to recap, first go to File, Info, and View Sync Status, then click Sync All or use Shift plus F9. And if that does not work, open OneNote for the web and use Open in Desktop App to force a fresh connection. I hope this video helped you fix the OneNote offline error quickly. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more OneNote troubleshooting tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.